Hello, I'm Tammy.
Kamusta po? Ako si Trixie and we're the founders of iLEARN.
iLEARN is a company that provides early learning kits for children ages 1 to 5 years old.
We started iLEARN dahil nakita namin ang pangangailangan ng mga educational materials sa mga bata ngayon.
As an educator, I know how difficult it can be for parents to find the right resources to teach their young children.
And as an occupational therapist, alam ko kung gaano kahalaga ang early learning sa development ng isang bata.
When the pandemic hit, we realized how many children were being left behind dahil sa wala o kulang ng educational materials sa bahay at walang online access.
Maraming preschools ang nagsara. We noticed that young children were spending a lot of time on gadgets and not getting enough hands-on engaging activities they need for development.
For example, 90% of children in the Philippines suffer from learning poverty. Ibig sabihin, ang mga 10-year-old ay hindi nakakabasa o nauunawaan kung ano ang kanyang nabasa.
Pero gusto namin baguhin yan by making early learning more accessible and enjoyable for families everywhere.
We wanted to create a solution that could help bridge the gap and ensure that every child, bawat Pilipino, ay may access to quality early learning.
Gusto namin tulungan ang mga magulang at caregivers to provide their children with early learning, so we developed the iLEARN Kits. We believe that parents are the first teachers and their home is the first classroom of a child.
Ano ang early learning or early education? Ito ay ang paghahanda ng mga bata sa pagbabasa at pagbibilang bago pumasok sa paaralan.
The iLEARN Kits give basic skills for the foundation of literacy and numeracy. Habang naglalaro ang mga bata, natututo silang maging creative at independent. This also increases the bond between child and adult.
The kits include materials and books that guide the parents and caregivers through over 100 activities for early literacy and numeracy. This keeps them busy as they explore through play at mababawasan rin ang gadget time.
Tandaan po natin that school readiness is crucial for a child's future. Bigyan natin sila ng mahusay na edukasyon para sa magandang kinabukasan.
Naranasan namin how these kits have made a difference in communities that don't have access to educational resources.
We're proud to say that we've received positive feedback from parents and teachers who have used the iLEARN Kits in their homes and in learning centers.
And we're not stopping at just these two kits. In the future, we hope to offer even more resources and services to support early learning.
Thank you for supporting iLEARN. Tandaan po natin, parents are the first teachers and the home is the first classroom. And every child deserves the opportunity to learn and succeed.